Hi, it's me, Cleo. Welcome to my channel. It's called My Reborns. Hope you enjoy. So today I'm going to be showing you my new slime. It is called Candy Cane Scent. It did come with a candy cane, but I already had it. It was a blue candy cane. Not too blue. Kind of. So it's kind of Christmassy. Well, candy canes are Christmassy. And I have green and red balls in. It's kind of like a Christmas. Be quiet. Dogs are always noisy. I have to do this video quickly because I've got 3 sheets of homework, 2 maths and 1 English, and spellings. I have a lot of homework today. I have 2 maths, 1 English, and 10 spellings. Basically for the spellings I just need to write the meaning down, not the meaning, a sentence with the word in and the meaning, and you have to write it down 3 times, which is boring. I like maths. Maths is one of my favourite lessons. Glad I have 2 sheets of it. It is hard though. I'm in year 5. I'm going to probably start doing some videos on Roblox more because I really do enjoy this game. It's called Pet Simulator. I really do like it. So after I've done my homework, I'm going to do a video about it. But they probably won't be uploaded at the same time. So I'll see you in my next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye.